Hello and welcome. You have just applied for asylum application in France. During few months, you will have to wait to know if France gives you or not a refugee status. During this waiting time, you have the choice between two options. Either you ask to OFI, a place for accommodation, especially with an organization called CADA, where you'll be accommodated and will find support. Or you can apply to join La Terre en Partage. La Terre en Partage offers you a chance to be active during your waiting time for refugee status, and therefore start build your future now. You will be welcome in a big house surrounded by greenery and gardens. We are located in a village called Saint-Just-le-Martel, only 10 kilometers away from Limoges and accessible by daily buses. This house will be shared with 18 other asylum seekers. You will have a room that can be possibly shared with one or two other persons. You will share common spaces such as a large living room, a dining room, a kitchen, a computer space, showers, a utility room. We will purchase the cooking food, but you will have to participate at the preparation of the dinner and housework. For 15 hours every week, you will participate in an agricultural activity. We mainly cultivate vegetables, but we also have fruity trees and few animals. You will be supervised by two professional gardeners, Mallory and Stéphane. This activity is mandatory and contributes in funding the association. This will help you to learn French language and prepare your professional future. Beside of this agricultural activity, you will participate in exercises to discover French language, cultural and social code of France, and start your professional project. For example, we will offer you discussion classes in French, sports activity, visits, and also music. If you join La Terre en Partage, you are committed in active participation in those exercises that will be planned according to your hobbies. During your stay with us at La Terre en Partage, you will be assisted by Caroline. She is a social referent for our association. She will help you with your asylum seeker application and all your administrative steps. By joining La Terre en Partage, you will be a key player of this project. You will be a member of our association and will participate in a weekly house council in which will be decided together the everyday life in the house. La Terre en Partage is a non-profit organization that works closely with OFI and the Préfecture. By joining La Terre en Partage, you will be followed by OFI and will receive ADA. Your engagement to participate with La Terre en Partage is recognized and appreciated by agreement with Préfecture. Please be careful. Your participation with La Terre en Partage does not mean that France will automatically give you a refugee status. Once you will receive your final answer, positive or negative, you will have to leave our association. We will assist you to prepare your future the best way possible according to your administrative status and your plans. Join La Terre en Partage is a voluntary choice. If you prefer, you can choose to ask OFI a place for accommodation. However, if you decide to join us, we are asking for your total motivation. In the coming months, we offer you the choice of living together in shared decision and daily tasks in our house. Gardening, you will feel active and useful every day. Start discovering French language and life in France. And prepare your future. So, you are more than welcome to La Terre en Partage.